Dongguan Zhicheng Electrical Company Limited is a high-tech professional manufacturer who founded in 2010 with years' experience. Engaged in the research, development, production, sale, and service of steam cleaner, steam cleaning machine, high-temperature steam, and pulse integrated cleaning machine, pulse cleaning machine. Using high temperature and high pressure steam, high pressure cold water, and hot and cold air blowing and drying functions to clean household appliances, air conditioner, range hood, refrigerator, washing machine, and others. Clean the floor, tile, car beauty, kitchen, bathroom, motor vehicles, water pipe, water heater, and other cleaning and sterilization services. After years of research and development and production, our company has a professional team of engineers and perfect after-sale service. We can provide OEM and ODM customized services for customers. Our company's machines have always been in the leading position in the field of steam cleaning machine in China. It has obtained many patent certifications for high-tech products and passed CQC certifications. With qualified machine, meticulous customer service, and perfect after-sale service. Our equipment sells well all over the world, including North America, Europe, Australia, and Asia. Solve cleaning problems for customers around the world. Create a clean and beautiful home. Your pursuit is the direction of our efforts. We look forward to creating a bright future with customers from all over the world.